On behalf of the organizing and scientific committee, it gives me a great pleasure to warmly welcome all professionals in otolaryngology and head and neck surgery to the EROC 2026 Global Forum, which will be held from 15 to 17 January 2026 in the vibrant city of Dubai at the Intercontinental Dubai Festival City, in collaboration with IFOS, American Academy of Otolaryngology, Korean Society of Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery, American Rhinology Society, and Japanese Society. As we celebrate the 15th edition of the EROC Congress, we are proud to commemorate this important milestone with a truly global gathering. This achievement has been made possible through the continued support of the organizers. Their works have played an important role in shaping EROC into one of the leading forums in the field. I would like to thank Professor Hussein Al-Rand and his team for this great effort. The EROC 2026 Global Forum will offer a broad and inclusive scientific program covering major topics in all areas of otolaryngology and head and neck surgery. These include otology, neurotology, cochlear implants all together for the first time, rhinology, sculpting surgery, allergies, hearing, speech, swallowing, and much more. In addition, special attention has been made to include a balanced participation regarding gender and, of course, young physicians. From my personal point of view, I think it's a meeting to consider in the 2026 agenda, fully supported by IFOS and expecting your participation. Hope to see you in January.